The member representing Oriomo and Umwode Federal Constituency at the House of Representatives, Honorable Chief Dr. Billy Osawaru, has confirmed that the Abraka-Oben road construction project facilitated by the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) is still under construction and has successfully completed nearly 10 kilometers of the road up to Uvesi from the Abraka axis. Honorable Chief Dr. Billy Osawaru disclosed this to BTV News during a press briefing after an on-site investigation of the road construction project. BTV News Best Orator tells us more.
The member representing Oriom and Uhunde Federal Constituency at the Federal House of Representatives, Honorable Chief Dr. Billy Osawaru, in an exclusive interview with BTV News, said following a letter submitted to his office by youths from Ugo Ward in Oriom local government area claiming that the construction of Abraka-Oben Road, announced by the Honorable Minister of Regional Development, Honorable Engineer Abraka-Oben, was not true, prompted him to go for an on-the-spot inspection of the road. He said contrary to the youth's claim, he found out that the road was under construction and had reached an appreciable stage with nearly 10 kilometers successfully completed up to a Wesi end from the Abraka axis.
The issue had to do with the road that they called Abraka-Oben Road that was already under construction by NDDC. And our youth from Ugu Ward actually submitted a letter to my office. We decided to investigate what was happening. Yes, it's true, according to them, that it was announced in the media that the Abraka-Oben Road was being constructed. And that was announced by the Honorable Minister of Regional Development. But our youth came out to protest that a road like that does not exist. As in, the construction of that road was not true. So I have done my investigation and we have the videos to actually show that NDDC has started construction of the Abraka-Oben Road. And they have done close to 10 kilometers up to Ewisi from the Abraka axis. What we have found out that this is still a project that is ongoing. We have those videos now that actually showed that NDDC is actually constructing that road. So I wanted to clear the air that the Honorable Minister was saying the truth, that this road was really under construction.
Chief Billy Osawaru urged the youth to remain patient and supportive of the project, stating that their patience will allow the project to progress successfully. He also apologized to the Minister of Regional Development, Honorable Engineer Abraka-Oben, for any embarrassment caused and pledged to collaborate with the Niger Delta Development Commission to ensure the project is successfully completed.
And as for our youth, again, like I said, I appreciate your cautiousness, but I want to appeal again that the confidence you had in me, the trust you had in me 2 years ago when you sent me to represent you in the National Assembly, I want you to still keep that confidence, because anything that affects you affects me. And I promise that anytime you have concerns like this, I promise to always be there for you. But again, we just have to be patient and show some understanding.
Honorable Chief Dr. Billy Osawaru reaffirmed his commitment to delivering the dividends of democracy to the people of Nwonde and Oriomo Federal Constituency. He commended the youth for their consciousness and encouraged them to always bring any issues of concern to his attention, as he promised to always address them. Best Orator reporting for BTV News.